Before we get started, let me introduce who we are. The Human Restoration Project is a grassroots, nonprofit educational organization dedicated to reimagining radically human-centered classrooms built around 4 values: that learning is rooted in purpose-finding and community relevance, social justice is the cornerstone to educational success, dehumanizing practices do not belong in schools, and learners are respectful toward each other's innate human worth. To accomplish this, we provide free resources for teachers, administrators, students, and parents alike to inform them of theories and practices, say, through our podcasts and videos, writing, and research database, guide them via our handbooks and professional development to implement humane practices, and grow the movement to sustain grassroots progressive educational change through teacher action research, micro-credentialing, and our human-centered schools network. In this video, we will outline the 4 components of a human-centered education as supported by over a century of research and practice.